This is Kangaroo Car Care's Interior Cleaner, a fast and easy solution to a well-maintained and clean interior. The interior cleaner will help you get rid of mud, dust, and a lot of other dirt. Simply spray the cleaner on the foam pad and brush it on surfaces like dashboard, seats, mirrors, and various other parts. Wait for a while and then clean it off with a microfiber cloth. And there you have it. Your dirty interior is now shining brand new. And that's why cleanliness is next to godliness. Get your Kangaroo interior cleaner today.